You're not failing because of your mornings. You're not failing because of your goals. You're failing because of your nights. And it's silently destroying your future every single night. Every night you scroll until 2 a.m. You sleep with anxiety in your chest. You wake up exhausted before the day even starts. And you wonder why success feels so far away. Here's what nobody tells you. How you end your day decides how you live your life. 1. Kill the screen 1 hour before bed. Every night you hand your brain to your phone. Reels, notifications, drama, and your brain stays wired, anxious, and overstimulated for hours after you close your eyes. Put the phone down. Let your mind breathe. The last thing you consume at night becomes your first thought in the morning. 2. Plan tomorrow tonight. Most people wake up with no direction, no plan, no purpose. And a life without direction is just slow, comfortable failure. Every night before you sleep, write down your 3 most important tasks for tomorrow. Just 3. That simple act tells your brain tomorrow is already won. 3. Reflect for 2 minutes. Before you close your eyes, ask yourself one question. Did I move closer to my goals today? Not to judge yourself, not to feel guilty, but to stay conscious of the life you are building. Because champions are not built in gyms. They are built in quiet nights with honest reflection. Your night routine is not just about sleep. It is about who you become while the world is asleep. Protect your nights, guard your sleep, and wake up every morning 1 step closer to the person you were meant to be. If this hit you, comment "starting tonight" and subscribe, because this is where champions are built.